Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the sad sale quest in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the gossip quests, and this quest can be unlocked after you find Marin. And it says come back later to listen to Marin's stories or find someone willing to hear her tales of the sea. Okay, basically we just need to meet Marin at the fishing village. You can go to the fishing village, then you will be able to find her right here. So this is Marin, and then you can talk to her. But as you can see guys that there's nothing here and the quest is still not done yet. So if you want to complete this quest, we need to wait until the next day. So next day you can go back to Marine and this quest will be automatically completed. Alright, I've come back on the next day and now I just need to find Marine and she's right there. I just need to follow the guidance or the sign. Okay, this way. Okay, this is Marine. Talk to her and finish the set sail gossip quest. And I've just obtained this t-shirt. Okay guys, and that's how you can finish the set sail gossip quest in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.